So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are gonna learn about our CSS user interface. Okay, so in CSS user interface, we are gonna use our two properties. Okay, first one is our resize and second is our outline offset. So let's first start with our CSS resize. Okay, so the resize property specify if an element should be resizable by the user. Okay, so we are gonna create the size square bracket here. Okay, so we can adjust the resize here. That's why. So let's move forward to our code. So let's write down our h1 tag as our channel name, web tag. Then I will write down here our div tag, and inside the div tag I write down here our p tag. Let's write down as a lorem. Then once again let's open our paragraph tag. Let's just cut this one and paste it here. Let's cut this so it can be visible both in the same. So okay, that is how our text here. Okay, now we are going to add our code here for our square brackets. So let's write down here our div, but firstly we need to write down our style tag. Then let's just cut this and paste it here. Now let's write down our code. I give them border as a 2 pixel guys, as a dash. If you want solid you can do that. So let's write down now padding for our space. I give them 30 pixel. Then I give them width as a 350 pixel. Okay. Then save. Let's see how it look like. Now we are gonna add our resize and overflow. As you can see, this is how our square brackets look like. Okay. Now if you want to up or down scroll here, okay, and minimize the size of these ones, so you can also do that by using overflow. Okay. So I am gonna write down here overflow as a auto. Then save. As you can see, this is how auto is look like. Now let's write down here our, if you write down here, let's write down our size, our these size. Okay, I write down here horizontal. Then save. Let's minimize this one. As you can see here, here you can adjust your size here horizontal, not vertical. Okay, as you can see here I can adjust my size. As you can see, so that is how you can adjust your size horizontally. But if you want vertical side, you can also do that. So you need to write down here vertical. Then as you can see, you can scroll down, open. So as you can see, if I don't write auto here and hidden, then our overflow is not visible here. As you can see, it's not visible right now here, our scroll bar. So that is our overflow works here. So let's write down as a auto, then save. Then as you can see, it's visible right now. So that is how it works. But if you want both these vertical and horizontal, then you need to write down both. Then save. Then as you can see, even I can do horizontally here. And if I want vertical, I can also do that. Okay. So that is how it's done here, guys. Okay. Now let's move forward to our new point. As you can see, this is how you can adjust that. Now let's move forward to our new point, CSS outline offset. Okay, so the outline offset is the property that adds the space between an outline and the edge of the border of an element. Okay, so let's create a new example. So I am gonna write down here. Let's just write create here. I give them class as a capital A name, then close, then cut this one and paste it here. Okay, then let's create one more div class as a capital A, then close, then here paste. Let's just clear this one, then save. Okay, now we are going to change it here. Our this one, let's write down dot capital A. Let's give them the different name as a B so we can understand. Now let's write down here our margin as a 25 pixel. Then let's write down our border as a 2 pixel solid black. Okay, now then let's write down here our outline as a 5 pixel solid blue. Then save. So as you can see, this is our border black color, and this is our outline solid blue. Okay, now we are going to use our outline offset here. Outline offset as a 20 pixel. Then save. So as you can see, that is how you can set your outline offset here. Okay, if you want to set your outline, you can use by outline offset. Okay, now let's create our second one, dub, and dub. Let's just copy this one and paste it. Now I'm gonna change the color here as a gray. Then save, and I'm gonna give the minimize my text. So as you can see, that is how it look like. If you write down 20, then save. This is how it look like. So that is how our outline offset works here, guys. If you have any query, write down in the comment section. Okay, if you want to change the margin, you can also do that. Then save. So as you can see, that is how your margin sets here. Okay, it's overlapping each other. By using our previous outlines offset video, you can get that how we can adjust our overlap here, overlapping and all. Okay, in previous videos you can learn that. But in user interface, we use resize and our outline offset here. Okay, if you have any query, write down in the comment section, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure you write your email ID for the source code. Okay, bye.